Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to go through the entire process of cleaning a waterproof mousepad, step by step, using simple items you already have at home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, clear a clean area where you'll be doing the cleaning. You want enough room to spread out the mousepad and your materials comfortably. Since waterproof mousepads have a protective layer, handling it the right way ensures it stays intact and doesn't absorb water in a way that could damage it. Plus, cleaning in a tidy area prevents extra dust or grime from getting on the pad after it's washed. Mix your cleaning solution. For this step, you'll need to create a gentle cleaning solution. Fill a bowl with lukewarm water. Hot water can warp the surface of some materials, and add a drop or two of mild dish soap or gentle detergent. A study from the International Journal of Cleaning Science in 2019 found that lukewarm water with mild detergent is highly effective at removing oils and residue from non-porous surfaces, without damaging them. Dampen your microfiber cloth in the solution. Be sure to wring it out so it's not soaking wet but damp enough to clean. Then, gently wipe down the surface of your mousepad. Waterproof mousepads are designed to repel liquid, so the cloth is your friend here. Use gentle, circular motions to lift any grime or oil off the surface. Microfiber is key since it won't leave behind lint or scratch the surface. If you don't have one, a soft cotton cloth can work, but microfiber is generally the best option for maintaining a smooth finish. If you notice some tougher stains, like ink marks or dried-on spills, take a soft sponge, dip it lightly into the cleaning solution, and gently work on those areas. A light touch is important to avoid any chance of scratching, even though the mousepad is waterproof. Just go slow and steady. Waterproof mousepads are engineered to resist liquid absorption, but too much force can cause the protective layer to degrade over time. According to tech maintenance guides from 2020, gentle sponging can prevent early wear and tear. Now, we're going to rinse away the soap solution. Take your microfiber cloth, rinse it under fresh water, wring it out, and then wipe down your mousepad to remove any soapy residue. This step is important. Leaving soap residue on the surface could make it sticky or attract more dust over time. Avoid directly submerging the pad under running water, as it can seep into the edges. Now, take a dry towel or cloth and gently pat the mousepad. You want to remove as much surface water as possible, but don't rub too hard. Patting works best here because it avoids smearing any lingering water on the surface. Once you've patted it dry, place it on a clean, flat surface to air dry completely. Ensure it dries flat to avoid warping. The drying process might take a few hours, so be patient here. After it's fully dry, put it back on your desk, and you're good to go. You'll probably notice right away that your mouse glides smoother, and that's because you've removed layers of dirt and oil that can build up over time. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to clean your waterproof mousepad with just a few items you have at home. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit that subscribe button, share it with anyone who could use a little cleaning tip, and leave a comment below if you have any other great cleaning hacks. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.